Okay, I found this smart Wi-Fi doorbell camera on sale at Walmart. On my favorite aisle, the clearance aisle. Okay. I did not realize that it was the wired type. So, I ran into a dilemma. I did not know what to do for the wired kind, seeing as I don't have a wired doorbell location. This is a wireless doorbell that I bought because I didn't have a wired doorbell. So the wired doorbell runs to the chime to make the noise, ding dong, and it has power, constant power to it. So that's my dilemma. I didn't know what to do. So I did some Googling and attempted to figure it out. So this video is to help people that may not know what to do when they want to use a wired Wi-Fi doorbell instead of the wireless type, and they need power to it. So I'm gonna try to help you out. Okay, so that's how you install it if you have a doorbell, where you can run to the chime. You can use that connection for the power. Since I don't have a doorbell, I had to do some Googling to figure out what I needed to do. So, to save y'all the trial and error, I think I figured it out. So, since I need 12 to 24 volt, I found a 24 volt adapter transformer to plug into the wall. So now I need to install it. And then I came into another problem. I was already aware of this problem. So if you watch any of your internet or cable guys install the wiring, this just is not going to cut it. It's not going to go through the wall. So you have to go and buy an extended length drill bit. This is going to get it done. So my plan is to install it right next to my wireless doorbell, drill through the wall, and then run it down and along the line and plug my adapter up here. That's the plan. It's $44.25 for the wireless doorbell, $18.99 for the adapter. Bought it on Amazon, next day delivery. And it's advertised as a adapter that you can use for the smart thermostats and the other brands of smart Wi-Fi doorbells. So it has an open end. It's not an adapter with the connector end. It's just two wires on the end with no type of male connection on the end. This extended length drill bit from Harbor Freight for like $3.99, $4.99. And then the grommets. I use the grommet to seal the hole that I drill so that there isn't just a open hole for insects or whatever. And I think it'll look a bit more professional. If you don't know exactly how grommets are used, you're going to find out in this video. So that's another $3.99. Harbor Freight, Amazon, Walmart. So it's still under $100. get a little closer. Yeah. So I've installed the angle mount. I've installed the backing. That's a grommet there. It's kind of sealing up that hole. I don't know if you can see it back there. Sealing that hole up back there. Okay. So this is what I was talking about. It didn't have a male end that you plug in, so you are supposed to connect this to the back of your Wi-Fi doorbell camera. Okay. So here are the leads. Only connect terminals to wiring from a doorbell with a voltage of 16 volt to 24 volt AC. Okay, so those are the leads there that I'm supposed to connect to. All right. I wasn't sure which leads will go to what, so in these instructions it says install pins into the terminals for your doorbell. Any pin can be connected to any terminal. So, boom, that answers that question. Okay, so finished product. Got it mounted. Has its own internal doorbell chime, like I assume the rest of them have. There was a process for connected to the Wi-Fi. I'm sure they all have the same process. This particular one has to be connected to the 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi. Boom, and then there's the grommet. I don't know if you can see it. It's a little rough around the edge. Might hit it with some touch-up paint, but that grommet seals that hole so that it's not just an open gash, not just an open hole. Tuck my wire. Right here, this adapter, I think it was 26 feet. 26 feet of wire. And voila. All done. Hope this helps somebody.